Ayan, Costco, Walmart, Hyvee, Asian Store, and may nag-aayos na po doon si Sir. Oh my God! Hey everyone! Welcome back to another vlog! Kakatapos ko lang po mag-film ng vlog. And ngayon guys ay mag-aayos na po kami. Pero papakita ko sa inyo yung aftermath ha. Kasi hindi ko pinakita sa haul. Ito lang siya. Papakita ko sa inyo ngayon. So ito po yung haul natin na worth $1,000. Ayan, Costco, Walmart, Hyvee, Asian Store. And may nag-aayos na po doon si Sir. Ayan po. So, ang problema po natin ngayon ay kung paano po tayo mag-ayos. Ayusin ko na lang itong yung mga ipapadala. Lalagay ko na lang dito sa box na to. Oh my God! Yung mga ngamoy to. Yung mga vitamins. Mga gamit.
Ayan.
Long as it been, feels like forever. Noticing
Pang papadaan
everything,
to, chia seed.
like the hair on the wall, food on the ashes, grateful from the
Sorry.
parties are gone.
Yung mga sabon pala nandiyan sa cabinet.
Can't even handle myself.
Yung binili namin na lamp ay for return. Dahil may crack. Kaya i-return namin sa off na lang. Ayusin na lang ulit ni Mac. Mahal itong mga pang-laundry. Hindi naman nakasya dun sa lagay ng laundry natin, no? Lagay mo na dyan sa spare room. Kakasya kaya pa kaya ito sa freezer natin? OMG! Freezer ko na lang lahat. Ang dami! Ay, alam mo mahal, parang tong isang ganito, isang kainan na natin.
When you were younger, you didn't see things quite the same. Now you're older, you find that sometimes you wish you had stayed behind. Never ever knowing where you're going. And right now that sounds like crazy.
There you go.
But hey, let's not get down about being a clown or running away from town. Because you eat so well and your friends can tell when that paste is oh so brown. Never ever knowing whether you're coming or going. And right
Yes,
now
got
that
a lot.
sounds like Ray's idea. Maybe you smoke too much and you drink too much. But as long as you can get back to home base, well, that's fine by me. And that's fine by everyone else.
Talaga nga, nag-spill nga siya, sis. Punong-puno naman kasi. Hindi ko to pwedeng i-rep na ganito.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, leave me here all alone.
Pahaboy. Ay! Bayan ni. Baka clumsy ko naman. Pahaboy yung itlog nila. Oh. Mas malalaki pa.
No more playing, playing, playing all this. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, 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 baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, horrified. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you. You said,
Everyone, thank you so much for reaching this part of this vlog again. And time for our shoutout. Magsha-shoutout lang po muna ako sa mga nag-comment po sa aking vlog na things allowed to bring to the USA. Ito po yung nag-unbox ako ng luggage ni Mac nung dumating siya dito kasi halos wala naman siyang damit na dala. Ang dinala niya yung mga pabili ko and mga pwede namin gamitin dito sa US. So, shout out to Renz Christian Moscoso. Shout out din kay Gwen Corregidor, Jay and Ann, Ibrahim Hailil, and then kay Allen Vanity, kay Sis Jella Alex. Ayan, staple din daw nila na dinadala pabalik ang BioFlu. At G-Tech pens. Oh, ayan. Alam niyo ba, madami kaming dalang pens. And then, shoutout din kay Ruby, GSD, Raymond Caberto, Jone, slang na sis, Jonah Cab Pablo, Andrea Bailili, and then kay Ronnie Caberto, and it's me, Cherry. Thank you so much everyone for commenting and for supporting the vlogs. Ayan, salamat po sa mga nag-share talaga sa vlogs. Sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga. Natutuwa naman ako na may mga nagme-message na, I'm watching your vlog, paano po yung ganito, ayan. Sumasagot ako guys kapag hindi kami busy sa work, pero pag nandito kasi ako sa bahay, mas busy pa ako pag day off ko compared kapag nasa work ako. Kaya kapag nasa work ako, na downtime na namin, ayan, sumasagot ako sa mga messages. So, comment lang kayo or message lang kayo sa akin if you need help on anything. So, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is JoyOfMia, and I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye!
I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like